Hey there, amazing parents. Welcome to a journey that is as rewarding as it is challenging. Ever wondered how to navigate the journey of raising kids from those adorable little toddlers to your best friends for life? It's a path filled with joy, learning, and growth for both you and your children. Let's dive into the timeless proverb that guides us through each stage of this incredible journey. Each phase has its own unique challenges and rewards, and understanding them can make all the difference. In the beginning, it's all about love and security. These early years are foundational. The first 5 years are crucial for your child's emotional foundation. This is when they learn to trust and feel safe in the world. Shower them with tenderness, care, and affection. Your touch, your voice, your presence. All these elements are building blocks of their emotional well-being. This is the time to build their confidence and make sure they know they are cherished. Every smile, every hug, every word of encouragement plants a seed of self-worth. Think of it as planting a seed of security and trust. These early interactions are the roots that will support their growth for years to come. Now, don't be alarmed by the word scold. It's not about harshness, but about guidance. From ages 6 to 10, kids start exploring the world with more independence. They are curious, adventurous, and eager to learn. This is when they need guidance and discipline. It's a time to set boundaries and help them understand the world around them. Set boundaries and correct behaviors, teaching them responsibility and the difference between right and wrong. This is about helping them develop a moral compass. It's about instilling discipline, not harsh punishment. Discipline is about teaching, not just correcting. Your goal is to help them understand and navigate the world. Equip them with the tools they need to make good decisions. The teenage years, a time of transformation and growth. This is where things get interesting. Teenagers are striving for independence and self-identity. Teens crave autonomy and understanding. They want to be heard and respected. Treat them like friends, engage in open and respectful communication. This is the time to build a relationship based on mutual respect. Listen to their opinions, provide guidance without being overbearing. It's a delicate balance, but one that pays off in trust and respect. This fosters mutual respect and trust, preparing them for adulthood. They learn to value your advice and see you as a trusted confidant. Finally, when your kids become adults, the relationship transforms. It's a beautiful evolution. All the love, discipline, and respect from earlier years now bloom into a mature friendship. You become their advisor, their friend, and their equal. You share experiences, give and seek advice, and enjoy companionship as equals. It's a rewarding phase where you see the fruits of your labor. Celebrate this journey from parent-child to a deep, enduring friendship. It's a testament to the love and effort you've invested over the years. So remember, each stage of parenting is unique and special. Embrace each moment, for they pass quickly. Embrace the journey, cherish the moments, and build a lifelong bond with your children. You've got this. Your love and dedication will guide you through. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other parents. Thanks for watching. Your journey is just as important as theirs.